Hey guys, welcome to another episode of EataCure Wellness Cooking Series. This is Marcia Marie. Today we are making a tropical smoothie. So today we have bananas, which we know have potassium in it. We have some kiwi, which we know that kiwi is good for high potassium as well. Great antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. We have dates for a natural sweetener, and we know dates are also high in fiber, as well as it is good for heart health as well as strengthening your bones. We have your strawberries, which is also good for antioxidants. We have our pineapples. Strawberries also help with cancer protection and pre-diabetes. And then pineapples, we know is antioxidants as well, has some vitamins. Key thing that it has is bromelain, and bromelain we know helps inflammation and immunity. We also have our sea moss gel that we have prepped at a previous episode, as well as coconut water, which is for hydration. So this is our tropical smoothie for today. We're just going to put it in our blender, blend it all together, and have a great nutritious breakfast or supplement. Okay guys, so now that we have all of our ingredients, we're going to put it in. You're going to use about a total of a cup to 2 cups of fruit. I'm making a big batch here. So our EataCure Wellness sea moss that we prepped already, I'm going to add a quarter of a cup. Remember, the recommended dose is 2 to 4 tablespoons. So we're just going to loosely put that in there. I'm going to add a little more since I didn't bring my spoon here. But just about estimation. Now for our dates, these are not pitted dates. So if they're not pitted, you have to pit them yourself. So you're literally, sometimes they'll have a piece at the top. You want to pull that hard piece off, and then you want to split it and take the seed out, because you're not supposed to have the seed. So we're going to put this in here for extra sweetness. I'm using 3 for this batch. And again, sometimes it has this hard little pit piece that you just take off the top and then take the pit out the center. And once you open your dates, you want to make sure you refrigerate them. But I had them sitting out just for a little while. And then we're going to add our coconut water. And then as we start to blend, if it seems like it's still a little thick, then I'll add some regular water, or you can add another container of coconut water. And I'm just going to hit stop. Now what I could have done was also put it on the frozen or smoothie mode. I just blended it to show you how to blend it. So what we'll do is I'll put it on a few more seconds under the smoothie. You normally would add, for the smoothie, add like a quarter to a half a cup of crushed ice, just to make it thicken up a little better. Okay, so just take a little look in here, just so you can see the thickness of it. I'm gonna add a teeny bit of water for the smoothie version, and if you add a quarter cup or a half a cup of ice, it'll definitely take those little bits out of it. Balance out the sweetness. I'm gonna put it on smoothie for a little longer. All right, guys. Now we'll put it in our EataCure bottle, and then I'll have a little drink. I don't mind the bits, but again, the ice would have blended those bits for you. Let's pour it in here for some EataCure goodness. That is our tropical fruit smoothie with fresh frozen strawberries, fresh frozen pineapples, fresh banana, fresh kiwi, some dates to sweeten, and some coconut water for hydration. This is Marcia Marie, and we're just going to take a little taste of it. That's good, guys. Definitely only needed my 1 coconut water. 2 might have been too sweet for me because we already had the natural sweetened dates for added health benefits. This is Marcia Marie. Today we made a tropical fruit smoothie. So I want you guys to enjoy the goodness of wellness. Cheers to wellness. Eat to live. There's more to life. See you next time.